morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be a review on this unit that I got from MoonHair. This is my first time ever working with this company and I am definitely impressed. They went above and beyond. Look at my chain, y'all. Look at the chain. First of all, I love the moon and the stars. So the fact that this says MoonHair and then it has the little moon on it, girl, I'm definitely gonna be wearing this all the time. I absolutely love this necklace. It even came with like some tattoos, but before we get into the unboxing, we are going to do a styling portion because I do want to show you how I got this look and all the work that it took to get here, okay? So stay tuned if you like this unit and you would like to hear more about it and see how I got this style. Okay, let's get into the unboxing of this MoonHair wig. As you can see, this box is blue and it is filled with goodies, so let's unbox it. So inside is this plastic. This contains the hair and it is a 13x4 HD lace front and body wave. It is human hair and it is in natural black. It's 28 inches, 210% density. On the inside it has 4 combs and adjustable straps, and the hairline is pretty full, so you will have to do some plucking. Also inside of the box included was a blue satin satchel to hold your wig in, some eyelashes, a melting band, a HD wig cap, a MoonHair tattoo, a MoonHair banner, and a MoonHair necklace. So this is the unit in its natural state after being washed and conditioned. As you can see, the waves aren't as defined, but we are going to get to that styling part later. All right, I put the adjustable straps on as well as added some foundation to the lace so that it would match when I do my parting. And now we are applying it to my head. Okay, I'm gonna cut the ear tabs off. It's just the excess lace around the perimeter because the unit is too big for my head, so we are making it fit. Off camera, I also did some plucking to the hairline because it was extremely full. I am spraying along the hairline with the even spray, and I'm taking the tail of the comb and I'm just pressing it in the lace. And after I dried it, I decided to put the MoonHair melting band on to further melt that lace. And now we are going to brush the hair out because again I did some plucking, so I do want to make sure I got all the excess hair out that may have been still in the hair from the plucking. So now I'm gonna part, and of course I want a little C part. Okay, and off camera I sat here for about 10 minutes before I came back and took off the melting band. Okay, so as you can see, now the wig is secured to my head, but I wanted to find that parting space because I wasn't able to get in there. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, and I'm also just combing out the crunchiness from the spray. All right, I'm just trying to get everything in place for how I want to style my hair. So I tried to take the baby hair out, and then I was like, you know what, let me add a little bit of my wax stick and then hot comb the hair in place before I do that. So now we're gonna go back and part out the baby hair. We're gonna cut it, we're gonna curl it using a small curling iron, and then we're gonna brush those baby hairs in place. And I added some got to be glued spray to my brush, okay, just to get it to sit in place. And then I went back in with the got to be glued gel and I put a little bit on it, and then I blow dried it. Okay, so we're just combing everything in place the way I want it, and then we're gonna blow dry it. And you don't have to blow dry it for a long time. Okay, and when I'm spraying the hair, I'm spraying it because I want it to sit in place. So we are hot combing the top of it. All right, and what we are going to be doing today is styling our hair in the same exact style. I just want body waves, and as you can see, you know, it's kind of like, you know, not defined. So I'm going to use the wand curl, the wand curler, and we're going to wand curl our hair away from our face on both sides, okay? And I'm taking medium chunks. This hair is fine, so it fit on the rod with no issues. And it got hot really fast, so I didn't have to do this for a long time. And I had to speed it up because I'm basically doing the same thing over and over. Y'all seen me do a lot of these videos of wand curls. And if you're someone who is an amateur at this, you can always use the glove so that you don't burn yourself. Okay, and this is the last side. I just wanted to get to the front of the hair so that you can see. And after the curls are complete, I hot comb the top to make sure everything is flat, okay, and in place. I add that just to, you know, further make sure it is flat and in place. All right, and then I finger comb the hair. So you could do two things. You could finger comb the hair so that it could have definition, your curls, or you could go in with a brush, and that will make it have soft waves. But this is how the hair turned out. This is how long it is in the back. I'm just showing you how bouncy it is. This is the side and the front, of course, and she looks so pretty. So stay tuned so I can tell you about the specs and my first initial thoughts about the hair. Okay, so I am back with my finished look, and I absolutely love this hair. I love how it came out. Like, it is just so pretty, so natural, and it's not too much hair. Like, I love how natural the density is. It just looks really, really pretty, and it lays so flat. Like, my braids are not even flat, but this is laying flat. So yeah, I'm kind of in love. So let's get into the specs of this unit. Once again, this unit is from MoonHair's. Check the chain, okay? Y'all saw the stuff that I got. They even included a tattoo, like a little tattoo that I thought that was just so cute, and a little banner that I could hang in the back. Like, that was just the cutest thing. I've never received that from a company, so they definitely send you some nice little goodies. This unit is a 13x4 HD lace front, and it is body wave. It's in the color natural black. The density is 210%. This unit is in 28 inches. Let me step back so you could see. Now, if I pull it out, it comes all the way down to my hips, and in the back it comes up to the bottom of my butt. So this hair is really long for 28 inches, 210% density. It doesn't feel heavy. This might be one of the lightest weight wigs that I have ever had. Like, it just feels so light. So I would say that the hair is pretty fine, okay? So if you want that bone straight look, even though this is body wave, you can definitely get it with this hair. And as you can see, the hair curls and it holds a curl well. Let's talk about the hairline. I definitely had to pluck. I had to pluck for my life because it was so full, okay? If you have a big head, this is a wig that is big head friendly, okay? But it does have adjustable straps for us girls who have a smaller head. I have a very small head, okay? My head is like 21 inches. So I had to cut some on the side, but that's perfectly fine because, again, this wig adjusts. So I didn't have any issues. I don't have no bulkiness, none of that. It is flat and it just came out gorgeous. The hair itself is fine. It feels beautiful. I did not have to add any oil. I felt like if I added my usual oil, it would have definitely weighed the hair down, because it is fine. It is already, it already has luster. Like, it just would be doing too much and it would look plastic. I really didn't have to add any. The hair is not tangling. As you can see, I'm running my fingers through the hair without any issues. Okay, and again, it holds a curl, because the curls that I did wasn't that big, and I've been finger combing my hair and I've been brushing through it, and yeah, the curls are still there and it looks very effortless, like just, you know, some beachy waves, and I love it. I honestly don't have any cons. As far as the shedding, I would say it is minimal. I'm getting a little bit more shedding because, again, I did start plucking, and I was plucking and I was plucking and I was plucking, because it was like really full on the hairline. Okay, this is not the wig where you could just throw it on and go out the door. You gotta do some work, but it is definitely worth it, because look how pretty she is. Like, I love it. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. And y'all know, usually I like the wigs where you don't have to do too much work, but even though this didn't come with, you know, everything done already, it was so easy, and it just was a breeze to do. Like, I didn't have any hiccups. I didn't feel like I had to really work hard to get this look. It was very simple. So this is a wig that I could say you can definitely customize, and it's going to be like beautiful. So I would highly recommend it. So if you have any questions for me, you can let me know down in the comments, and I will have the links to MoonHair. Thank you so much for sending me this unit to review. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I will definitely have the links to it down in the bottom bar for you, just in case you want to check it out. And yeah, let us know your thoughts down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.